Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Artsy. This is our development series. We meet every Sunday at 11 a.m. and discuss developments taking place in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and across the world. If you're interested in these types of videos, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. In the week, I also do bonus videos, and this is one of my bonus videos. Many of my viewers have been requesting this update, so I made sure to visit yesterday. Now, here's how the Cornwall Regional Hospital and the Children's and Adolescents Hospital looked on my last visit 6 months ago, and here is how they look now. So, I don't remember the last time I came over here. There has been much progress. This section I think is a little bit closer forward, and I think this is the Children's and Adolescents Hospital, that section in green that we're seeing there. Yeah, so that's coming on nicely. And then over here, I think we had a lot of scaffolding. You can go ahead. Scaffolding on this section. It seems as if it's all, I don't know if it's almost finished, but it seems nearly complete. So there's a lot of progress since my last visit, and it's painted. I'll soon go around to that side. I just want to see if I can catch it a little bit better. Hello. So that's how it looks. Alright, so then let's move around. It look like them do construction over the SDA church over Herbert Miles or something, I don't know. Anyways, so let me cross over to this side so I can show you guys clearly what it looks like. And I'm going to show you a video of my last visit so you can compare it to this. So this section here, see, never painted. You had scaffolding and you saw men working on it, construction workers working on it. Yeah, so painted now. Obviously they're not finished with this section either, but there has been progress since our last visit. All right, lovely. Get a wider shot of it. Yeah. Mount Salem police station look nice. I'm gonna go around the front. Now, can you guys upgrade the Barnett Street police station, because the last time I looked at it, it was in poor condition. All right, so looking lovely. Love it, pretty, blue and white. And I don't remember seeing this the last time I was here. I can't tell you when the plaza you open,